Alright, in this section we're going to take a look at how we can actually use charts in MS Word. So a lot of times you'll be collecting data and things like that, and we're just going to look at a real basic format here today just to kind of get you started. But there is a lot of flexibility within this program, so you can actually take existing data and work with it. You obviously have to get a little more familiarized. This will just be a basics. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to put in a chart. So up here, obviously, you've got your different ribbons up here. Sometimes they're called tabs. So you're just going to go to the insert section, and then what you're going to do is right here you've got your little icon that says chart. Okay, and what you can do is just click on that, and then it gives you a whole bunch of different styles of charts. So you've got column charts, you've got line charts. We're just going to select the standard issue pie chart for now. Okay, and now what it's going to do is it's actually going to open up an existing template for Microsoft Excel. So then what you're going to do is you are actually going to change your data, and you can change the title of your chart. And what we're going to change ours to is Blackhawks playoff scoring. So we're going to take a look at how many goals each of these players has. So I'm just going to now manipulate the data. So if I put in the first player, Taves, and he's got 3 goals. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead here and add in the extra data, and then I'll come back and we'll show you how it's done. Okay, so now we can see all of the players have been entered as how many goals they've each got, and if we just simply minimize this, we can see that the title here has changed, and that it's got an indication of color for each of the different players as to how many goals that they have actually represented in comparison to the rest of their team. Now, one of the things we can do is we can actually format these. If we hover over them, you can see it actually brings up a value. So the value was 6 goals, and which accounts for 43% of the scoring. And this player here is Taves, and his value is 3 goals, which is 21%. And we can actually add those numbers in if we just sit here and go add data labels. Okay, that shows exactly how many goals each of them were scored, and we can even go a little bit more. We can say we can format the data labels. So we go in here, and it gives us some options. So we can say, hey, the category name, we can put in percentage, okay, and then what we do is we can actually say center it, and then what we're going to do is we can even include the legend in a key in the label. So we just hit close. And you can see how that is actually changed the way that the pie chart is formulated now. So there's a lot of different charts that you can use. You can even select data, and you can switch columns and rows. You can do all that kind of stuff with it. But that's your real basics.